Hi, welcome to Philhome.com. Today we're in Portofino South Village near Avia Mall, and we're going to take a look at this big corner house behind me. Let's go take a look. So this house is on the market, and it's practically it's a fixer-upper. It's like almost half off. It's a sweet investment for someone that wants to come in and remodel the house the way that they want to. But we're going to just give you a walk around and give you an idea. It's got an incredibly big garage in here, as you can see. There used to be Ferraris and stuff parked in here, but we'll look at that later. Let's go in the front door. It's over here on the side. As you can see, lots of landscaping. Let's go inside. Okay, so as soon as you walk in the front door, you have the living dining room area to the right, but let's take a look at this room to the left. They have a big room here. This could be a bedroom. In this case, they're using it for, I'll come over here to the corner so we can pan out. They're using this as a TV room office. If I had to guess, I'd say this is about 25-30 square meter room. And in here is a storage closet, and there's a shower and CR behind this glass wall. So let's go back this way. So immediately to the right is the formal living room setup, as you can see. And chandelier on the ceiling, if you can see that. And then immediately from this formal living room setup is the formal dining room, as you can see. I'll just pan around here for you, give you a view. And you can see the stairways off that way and the arched ways. And then over here they have their informal dining table with the Christmas tree here, and all the rooms have AC. You can see the light fixture above this table. And then off to the left here is the kitchen area. That. Plenty of counter space. And then from here there's a door to the left where there's a dirty kitchen, and then you have the maid's room and bathroom here, and this leads to the side, but we'll go check out the outside later. I just want you to see the setup. See that? Nice view from the kitchen, so you can be cooking and chat with your friends that are sitting there. And of course, to the left there, you see that sliding glass door. There's a swimming pool out there. We'll go check that out later. A swimming pool and jacuzzi. So let's go back towards the front door. Also, this door here, you see there's a guest CR in there. So let's go up the stairs. Stairs is carpeted. Of course, if you buy this house, you can always turn that into, hardwood, Nara or something. So immediately to the top of the stairs, there's this open space here. I'll give you an idea. It's about 15 square meter open space, and at the end of the hallway here is a CR and full shower, and here's a bedroom, but unfortunately somebody's in there, so we can't videotape that. And then you have another bedroom here, kids room with closet, and then we'll come around here. There's another bedroom to the left here, as you can see. And And this bedroom also has closet set up here, and then in here it has its own bathroom and shower, full bathroom. And then we'll come in over here. This room is a little bigger, as you can see. And you can see a place where it has dressers. Then it has a big, huge dresser built there. And then you walk back here, and you have the CR, shower, and over here it has a tub. And then there's one more over here. Let's go check it out. So this is the master bedroom. You have a walk-in closet, huge walk-in closet here. As you can see, I've just tried to pan around here for you. So you got closets on the left, lots of shoe racks. And then you come in through this archway here. And you got the big master bedroom. See that? Nice setup. Then they have a TV thing set up here. I think there was a cat that was stuck in the rail up here. Let's go out on this balcony. You can see this guy's whining about something. So you have a balcony area here, as you can see. Probably step over there if you had to paint your house and things like that. So we have this area. I don't know what's over here. Oh, that's where the aircon is hidden. Let's go back in here. So I'll give you another little look at the master bedroom. Let's look it up here in the ceiling. I got a high ceiling in the master bedroom with chandelier hanging down. Then they got over here by the master bed. Look at this, right above the master's bed. So you can hang a big chandelier from up there. That's pretty cool. And then you come around here, you have more closets. This is probably his closet. And then there's this door here to the left of the closet. That's extra storage. And then over here we have the master bathroom. As you can see, his and her sink. Looks like a dual 2 toilets, and then this massive shower station. So you can see lots of jets. Look at all those jets. So that's the master bedroom. You can see how let me come back around here. See the side of that unit? It's pretty huge. So that's the master bedroom. Now let's go up to the 3rd floor. They have an extra storage place up here. I think this is probably the kids' playroom, it looks like. You can see they've enclosed it with glass. And made like a little kids' room. Or this could be a private office. Or you could take it all out and turn it into a little gym or something. So let's go head downstairs and we're gonna go check out the swimming pool area. So like I said, this is a great deal. They're practically selling this for half off because there's some things to fix, which is okay. You can always turn everything brand new. See, over to the, that's a storage area in there. I've already checked it. And that metal door there is a CR. And then you see there's a jacuzzi, but unfortunately they just have rainwater in here right now. The pool looks like it's about 5 feet deep. See, I'll give you the shot of the backyard here. The house above. This is a corner lot. So let me see if I can go out this way. The gate's unlocked here. So you can see, they used to park a lot of Corvettes and Ferraris in here. This is a big covered, gated garage. As you can see, there's many entryways. That gate, the gate over there, gate there, the gate there, and a gate on the end. And you see, it's kind of like when you drive into a 5-star hotel drop-off, kind of. So it's, you could use it as a U-shaped driveway. And that window there is, remember the formal dining room's there. I mean the formal living room, that one's the formal dining and the other one is the informal dining. So, very nice. Let me just show you your neighborhood. Your neighbor's house across the street. The roads are pretty wide here. So you can see you're right across from this nice corner lot too. So both houses accent each other. I'm gonna get back away so we can see the full shot of the house. See that? So it's a big, taking over a big corner. Lots of parking space. Even if your friends parked all the way around this whole corner, it's allowed because that's you have the corner lot. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough video. This is extremely good investment, practically half off in a high-end village of Portofino South. If you'd like the information, just look at the description below or go to Philhome.com, and you can probably find this listing in Philhome.com, or you can contact us if you'd like to see it. We'll have a broker get a hold of you right away, or you can go to Philhome Facebook and contact us directly from your personal Facebook. So I hope you enjoyed this tour, and thanks for watching Philhome.com.